Good day, grade 1 learners. You are listening to DW Learn Paniki 93.1 FM and simulcast live streaming via PNCES FB group. I am your teacher broadcaster, teacher Mona Lisa Arpakis, and welcome to your daily dose of learning in English 1. Are you ready to learn English subject with me, kids? I can assure you, you will enjoy and will learn something new today. So stay tuned and be with me for these 20 minutes of listening, watching, singing, and learning. To start with, let us sing Hello, Hello. Come on, sing with me. Hello, hello, how do you do? How do you do? How do you do? Hello, hello, how do you do? I'm fine, thank you. Come on, let us sing the song a little faster now. And ready? We sing. Hello, hello, how do you do? How do you do? How do you do? Hello, hello, how do you do? I'm fine, thank you. That's great. Did you sing the song with me correctly? If that is so, you have good hearing skills. That is what you need in order to learn the sounds around you. Can you tell me the difference of these sounds? The first sound is this. The other sound goes like this. What's the difference between the two sounds? Yes, you heard the sounds right. I clapped loud for the first time and you heard soft claps for the second time. Very good. We hear loud and soft sounds around us. Can you get a thing around you and create a sound using the object? Did you hear a loud or a soft sound? Yes, things around us have different sound. I have different things beside me now, and I will let each object make a sound and tell me if it sounds loud or soft. Okay, that's it. Did you hear a loud or a soft sound? Correct. Its sound is soft. How about this one? Very good. That's a loud bark of my dog. What do you prefer to hear if you want to sleep already? Perfect. You don't like to hear loud sounds when you're sleeping. What kind of sound do you hear as your friends sing a happy birthday song for you? Absolutely loud, because all is happy in a birthday party. Can you guess from what animal could you hear meow, meow, meow? Cat is right. How about this sound? Did you guess it right? Guitar, very good. We should also note that sounds could be high or low, like Boom, boom, boom. Is the sound in high pitch or low? Going up or going down? Boom, boom, boom. Correct. It's in low sound or pitch. Can you give a sound with high pitch? Did I hear you say kring, kring, kring? That sound has high pitch, correct? Kids, being good of the sounds you hear is also being good on how you make sounds. Not only by imitating sounds, but by sounding the letters of the alphabet and eventually combining sounds of the letters until such time you can sound all the letters in a word and can read sentences and stories already. It's high time we learn the letters of the alphabet and their sound. You are already in grade 1 and you should know by now the letters and their sounds. How many letters of the alphabet do we have in all? 26 is perfect. And we have 5 vowels in the alphabet. The rest are consonants. A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels in our alphabet. Let us sing the alphabet song and memorize all the letters. Up to the ceiling, down to the floor, left to the window and right to the door. Mama kiss me, Papa hugs me, for I know my ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time I want you to sing with me. Can you give me the 5 vowel letters of the alphabet again? Very good. A, E, I, O, and U. Let us have the short sounds of these letters. This is the uppercase A and the lowercase a. Sometimes we also call it big and small letter A. Apple, alligator, astronaut, ant, anchor are example of words beginning with letter A. Did you hear the beginning sound for these words? Apple, alligator, ant, anchor, astronaut. Perfect, kids. It is a sound. Yes, letter A sounds a. Can you give me another word whose name starts with a? Am I hearing you say avocado, antler, art, ankle, arrow? Excellent. How about words begin with letter E? elephant, eggs, envelopes, elk, empty. What is the sound of letter E in these words? Elephant, eggs, empty, elk, envelope. Very good. A sound. Can you name the pictures now? And tell me the beginning sound they have. What is the sound of letter I? All these words start with letter I. E is absolutely right. Igloo, Indians, ink, insects, eel, all starts with E sound. How about the letter O? What is its sound? O is perfect. Can you name objects whose name starts with O sound? I have here ostrich, orange, oblong, oval, and octopus. Did you name this also? Very good. Which among these pictures has name starts with letter U? Come on, pick up the pictures whose name starts with letter U. Umbrella, up, under, undershirt. These are the words whose name starts with U. Umbrella, up, under, undershirt. What's the beginning sound you hear from these words? Can you give me the sound of letter U? Letter U sounds ah. Very good. Ah, as in umbrella, up, under, undershirt. Very good, kids. U sounds ah. I have a song about the sounds of these vowel letters. Listen and later we will sing together. A, as in apple. E, as in eggplant. I, E, as in Indian. O, as in orange. U, as in umbrella. Now I know my vowel sound. Let's sing the song now, kids. Ready? Let's sing. A, as in apple. E, as in eggplant. I, as in Indian. O, as in orange. U, as in umbrella. Now I know my vowel sound. Good job, kids. Now, let's try this if you already understood our topic for today. Just give the initial or beginning letter to complete the name of the pictures. Let's have this number 1. What vowel letter will complete the name of the picture? What do you call this? You should write or put letter E in the beginning to make it elbow. Very good. This is elbow, or these are elbows. Let's have the next one, kids. What vowel shall we put in the blank? We should put letter O because this picture is onion or an onion. Let's have the third one. What are these? These are underwear. Very good. What is the missing letter then? What should you put in the beginning or in the blank? Letter U is correct to make it underwear. What is the symbol that tells you where to go? Arrow. Excellent. That's an arrow. What is the missing letter to complete the name of arrow? Very good, kids. A. To make it arrow. And the next one is, this is an animal. What do you call this animal, kids? Perfect. That's an iguana. What should we write in the beginning? Do I hear you say letter I? That is correct. Iguana. Good job, kids. 5 claps for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're ready to answer your learning activity sheets. On exercise 1, box the picture if it produced loud sound and cross out the pictures that produce soft sound. On exercise 2, write H if the picture produces a high sound and L if it produces loud sound. And on exercise number 3, name each object and write the correct initial sound. If you want to read and learn more about what we have this morning, you may browse in this link from YouTube to provide you additional information. Did you have fun singing, listening, and learning today? Me too. I enjoyed these 20 minutes of teaching and learning with you. Hoping you did well with your lesson today, kids. Again, this is your teacher broadcaster, Teacher Mona Lisa Arpakis, your teacher in grade 1, saying, learn English now, be globally oriented to be globally competitive as you embrace the new normal education. Stay motivated, stay safe, God bless you, and enjoy the rest of the day. Tune in next time. Goodbye, everyone.